Hi, folks. Just another episode of the house analogy series that we're working on and comparing the various different tools we put in place for our clients against the various different tools that people use to protect their home and their premises. So, just want to talk about today patch management. And this is where various different software packages within an organization need to be maintained, patched against security threats and fundamentally just kept up to date. And like if you think about it, this is quite comparison to the whole idea of maybe getting a CCTV system checked over once a year, or getting your alarm checked over, or even servicing vehicles. You don't let a vehicle go continuously month on month, year on year without proper doing some sort of servicing and maintenance on it. And your IT systems and your data and your various different software packages are no different behind the scenes. So again, feel free to talk to us or your own IT MSP company regarding patch management. Thank you. Hi, folks. Just another episode of the house analogy series that we're working on and comparing the various different tools